how to withdraw money from your VCCrowd account. Now once you've sold some shares, or perhaps you might have some affiliate bonus income, you will start to receive cash into your cash wallet. So we go to the My Profile section and then click on Cash Wallet. Here we can see in my own account here at the moment I have 493 euros worth of cash in there, and to withdraw that all I need to do is simply click on the green Withdraw Money button. That takes us to the Withdraw Money page, and here we've got some simple instructions and some reminders. First of all, if you're going to make a withdrawal, the withdrawals are processed on a Friday, and so therefore you need to put in your request before midnight on Thursday so they can process that on the Friday, and then usually it's 1 to 2 working days, business days, to get that into your bank account. That will depend on your bank in terms of how fast that happens, but usually by the Monday or Tuesday you'll receive that money in your account. So you can withdraw money every week. When making a request, it must be a bank account that belongs to you personally, otherwise the bank will reject the request. And if you have a company registered with the club and make a request from the company account, the name will be displayed as the recipient at the bank, and is therefore important that the bank account you make the request to is a company bank account. The weekly cash withdrawal limit is 2,500 euros, and it's a very simple process. So it's withdraw to a bank account, so you select IBAN transfer. If you're outside Europe, you might need to give the full bank details, so it is a good reminder there. You can operate your VCCrowd business from any country in the world. There's just a few minor exceptions, the usual suspects, but essentially choose your country where you wish to send your funds to your bank. If you're in Europe, then it's just a simple IBAN transfer. So the IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number, so put in your international bank account number, your SWIFT or BIC code, and the amount you wish to withdraw. That will include a €4 admin fee. So it's a very small admin fee, but that needs to be included in how much you're going to withdraw. So if I was to withdraw 400 euros, I'd actually receive 396 because there is a €4 admin fee. I've already confirmed via SMS my security, so I've got active confirmation. So all I do is put in those 3 details there, click on Send Request, and then that will be processed on the next working Friday, and my money will be in my bank by the next Monday or Tuesday. Thanks for watching.